A pre-owned 2018 Nissan Versa SV. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 1.6-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Nissan has less than 98,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 31 miles per gallon in the city and 39 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.